us, we've done it we've designed the plant in a way that there will always be cement here with us. So we'll make sure we don't disappoint our customers. Yes. One of the joys that we do have is that 99% except 3 experts are all Ghanaians. That's to tell you that Ghanaians this is real, Ghanaians can do it, and we encourage ministers to get more Ghanaians to participate in the likes of the business. Kept lighting and our currency.
First, this industry is dominated by global foreign companies. And that's the way it is globally, all over the world. So this is the first investment in the cement industry which is wholly Ghanaian owned. And I think that alone is very significant. Yes, as a government, we very much understand and appreciate the importance of foreign investment capital. But there's no evidence of any country anywhere in the world that has been able to achieve superlative growth without supporting their own indigenous entrepreneurs. And that is why I think that this particular investment is something that should pave the way for investments in industries that otherwise have been dominated only by foreign companies. So kudos to you. Secondly, going around the plant. Today when I was coming, I was wondering, well, you should not put on anything that might create a problem for you. Since I have other meetings going, let me wear something dark. Now I step here, it's almost like a food packaging factory. No evidence of dust, nothing. And now I understand that this is indeed an eco-friendly cement plant. And so it shows you that it's not just the fact that this is an indigenous entrepreneur doing this, but that he's taking the trouble to invest in the state-of-the-art technology, which also is important for us as a developing country. But it goes beyond these 2 points. This is going to create high-skilled jobs for Ghanaians, high-skilled jobs. And, every year 300,000 young people graduate from our tertiary institutions. If you add the number of people who are graduating from second cycle institutions, nobody should tell you that our number one development challenge is to identify job opportunities for our teeming youth. And that's why I'm happy that this is going to also contribute to the potential for job creation. But again, you also realize that even though this is a high-tech state-of-the-art company, I only see 3 foreign, I would say, management experts here. The rest They've all been introduced to us. It means that the top management team, it's all Ghanaian. Our friend from Morocco, I realized that he now wants to stay in Ghana. He now wants to stay in Ghana. But the beauty is that it's not just Ghanaian owned, it's also wholly managed by Ghanaians. Again, it goes beyond that. The level of investment is very significant. I think when it's completed, you are talking about an investment of over 100 million US dollars when all the phases of the project is completed. And you can imagine that this is not chicken feed. And just the courage to get into this level of investment, I think, is worth commending. I think it's also significant that the initial phase, which is a back-end plant, is only meant to open the way for something greater to come. And I understand from the management team that the second, third phases would also actually result in the installation of a grinding plant. So in this regard, Sir Ibrahim and your colleagues, I would like to encourage you, once you get to that level, to be able to explore opportunities for using local raw materials, not to completely substitute for clinker, but then it will complement whatever you are importing into the country. So this is, I believe, an investment that all of us as Ghanaians should be proud of. And I hope that once you are fully installed, that the commissioning will be done in a grand way. So this was only meant to be an inspection, but I'm very impressed. And you'll see me back here at the appropriate time. So congratulations, and thank you very much. Yes.